One thing that I noticed that just started channeling in a tool that I forgot to mention earlier, because I received some, there's people who are still in their pain body, and as an intuitive person, you really feel, but once again, I protect my energy. But then what happens is sometimes it can become a lot, and it's intense, especially with what's happening with the collective and the energy shifts we're having and all the downloads and all the solar flashes. So it can sometimes become a bit too much, also depending on obviously your energetic alignment. And so something that came in that I suggest that you do was asking yourself, how can I change this current state of vibration? And you just keep asking yourself that, like whatever you're doing, you're making a cup of tea, you're driving, you had a nasty phone call from someone, whatever, flipped you off on the road. So whatever happens, and you feel your space has been like, ooh, like that energy, that person's energy is heavy, and you feel like your energy level is shifting or being affected, influenced. So just ask yourself, if you're by yourself in a car, in a room, literally say it out loud. If you're not by yourself and you're sitting next to someone, then, don't start saying it out loud. It might freak them out. But if you're by yourself in the kitchen or in the car, wherever you are, literally just say, how can I change this current state of vibration? How can I change this current state of vibration? What do I need to do to change my current state of vibration? How can I, and as I'm saying that, I'm causing the MacBook to vibrate. How can I change my current state of vibration? How can I change my current? I don't care how many times you have to say that. And when you say how, it's not that you don't know how. You're just saying how because it's making you think how. So you know how. It's not about not knowing how. It's about asking yourself how, so that it asks. So when you ask yourself how, even though you know how, okay, what it's doing is it's making your brain go, oh, how? Like it's causing you to go in that direction of thinking, well, how? How can I change my state of vibration? Because some people go, like, just say, like, I am vibrating on a higher vibration. Yes, you are. But when you ask, how can I change my state of vibration? Even though you know how to change your state of vibration, you are literally causing a shift in your brain to focus on the how, which causes you to focus on, okay, what do I need to do? So continue to pour your cup of tea, make yourself whatever, your dinner, whatever you're doing, or you're driving. Doesn't matter if you're pulled over on the side of the road, if you're doing this as you're going for a walk, whatever it is you're doing, you're being present in the moment of doing whatever it is you're doing. And if an energy shift happened that caused you to go for this walk, and you needed to go for this walk because you needed to get away. So whatever it is that's causing you to feel a certain way, just literally, how do I change my current state of vibration? Try it and then let me know how it works. So thumbs up. I see your thumbs up.